everybody says, hi, welcome to my channel. But I think I'm just going to do random just vibes, just randomly how I feel at the beginning of the videos, just to start off my videos. But I'm so happy to be back in front of the camera, so happy to be back connected with my followers, my viewers. Like, this means a lot to me, and I have a lot of content, a lot of things coming up. So I just want to say hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Chameleon Unleashed on YouTube. If you don't follow, what are you waiting for? Just follow. I talk about all types of things, have a lot of things coming up that I want to show you guys. I have vlogs, I have wig reviews, not this one, not the bang, the bang, the bang. Although bangs are really in, even with the song, like, it's making bangs even more popular, period. Just have to make sure, you know, it looks decent. If it doesn't, I know you guys are going to let me know. But either way, I still like my bang, okay? But today, we are going to actually maybe make a bang. So, I was provided some hair from Vigorous Wigs. And it's actually a synthetic wig. It's only $20, you guys. A $20 wig. Like, I know my video that got a lot of views was talking about affordable wigs on Amazon. You guys know I love a good Amazon wig, honey. Yes. So here we are again talking about another one from another brand that actually reached out to me. I'm going to still give my honest review and opinion on this wig, so stay tuned. Okay, so the wig that I got came in this bag. I've already taken it out. It says best design gives you the best. So, okay. Came from Amazon. Actually took exactly 2 business days. And the wig is so cute. Like, I love the colors. I'm starting to really love, like, ombre colored hair. This is not the wig here. It's actually this wig. I want to show you guys. This is with the net on it, so I'll take that off and let you see it. Show you the wig, and then I'll show you the wig on my hair. Okay, so I'm going to read it to you. It's the Vigorous. The brand name is Vigorous. Vigorous Beauty. Thank you guys for sending this wig. It's a short, straight wig. It is 14 inches. Okay, and it is multicolored. So I'll provide the link to where you can get it from. It is $20. I don't know by the time this video comes out if it'll be more than that, but it is affordable right now. And this is what came with it. They gave me a wig cap, you know, standard. Most places either give like a wig cap or some lashes. I believe they gave some lashes. I'm not sure. I don't think so. Maybe they did. I just can't find it right now. But we did get a wig cap. That I always need wig caps because I wear a lot of wigs. And then it came with the wig here. So I just want to show you guys the wig. Look at it. Very silky, very smooth. It's got the blunt cut. It's a bob. Bobs are very popular right now. Very cute. And it has this little lace piece in the front. So I guess if you want to, you know, glue it down, you can glue it right here. But otherwise, you can wear it as a glueless wig. And does it have combs? I like combs. I know a lot of people don't, but I like combs. Especially when you're doing, you know, a glueless wig. You're wearing a glueless wig, and you just want to sometimes just throw your wig on and just go to the grocery store. Child, I love to have some of these combs. I don't have to worry about a bunch of bobby pins or glue. I can just right up under my cap and just keep it pushing. So there's 2 at the top, and then there's only 2 at the top. There's only 2 at the top. Okay, but then you have these bands here. It's not, you know, like the big band like some wigs have, but you have the little straps here that you can connect. Bring it in a little closer so you can see. That's pretty standard on wigs. The cap size fits my head. My head, I did measure it. I would suggest everyone to measure their circumference of their head to make sure that they, you know, can fit the caps. If not, you may have to sew on a band or use those little straps that come with the wig. But it fits my head. My head is a 22-inch exactly circumference, so it fits very snugly. Already tried it on, but I definitely want to show you guys what it looks like. But it looks cute. I mean, it's a great wig for the price. 20 bucks, like, you know, you can't get anything for $20 these days. So just to have it looking even this nicely, I don't know how long it's gonna look like this, but I'll give you guys an update and everything on the wig. But right out the box, it looks great. But we will do updates and things, and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. But I love the coloring. I love how they did the ombre. I love the length. It is 14 inches. The cut, it's very blunt, which is very in, makes it very modern, very still youthful, you know, bob situation. I think it's going to be very pretty on medium to dark skin tones. I think it'll be pretty on anyone, but specifically, you know, my brown skin girl, skin just like hers. So I think that this will be really cute. I can't wait to put it on. Oh, let's see the part, because the part, ooh, that's a nice face part for a $20 wig, right? Like, usually it's like non-existent. You can't even see it. So that's good that they did give you a part, give you something to work with. I would say maybe do a little bit more plucking, but I'm just going to show you how it looks right out the box. And then I think I'm going to give it a bang, because I definitely want a bang, and just do a blunt bang and see how it looks with that. I'm thinking about doing it. I don't know, but I am going to just cut the lace here and put it on and show you guys how it looks. Like I said, I'm gonna do me a bang. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to do a bang. Don't worry, I've recorded this video I'm gonna record it with and without the bang. So just in case it doesn't come out, we're just gonna make sure you guys still get the look. Blame it on quarantine. Quarantine has had me dyeing wigs. It's had me cutting hair. It's had me doing all kind of stuff, like, you know, just being very adventurous, very risky. This is a lot of hair. This will be a thick bang. But I think that's kind of what we want, right? Let's make sure it's even on both sides. It's the bang. I love that little song.
Not the bang yang, the bang yang, the bang 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 bang, the bang yang, the bang yang, oh oh oh, the bang yang, the bang yang, oh oh, the bang yang, the bang yang, the bang 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 bang, the bang yang, the bang yang, oh oh, the bang yang, oh oh, fuck no, not the bang bitch, that shit ain't.